worked at in Oak Creek West Middle School. He was in one of my classrooms, and there was just something about him that just put a spark in me. And I knew that he was in the foster care system, and he had had a trying year, and then he went to 8th grade, and that was another kind of trying year for him. And I would always talk to Greg about Montquel all the time. So I came home one day and I said, you know, there's something about Montquel, I'd like to do something for him. And my husband said, well, what do you want to do? And I said, well, if we could, I'd like to adopt him.
Well, Greg, that's a really big step to take.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not something that maybe is for every family. How did you know?
Well, you know, first off, I was just trying to keep my wife quiet. She kept coming home and saying, I wish I could do something, wish we could adopt him. And I finally was like, we have a 3-bedroom home. We've got plenty of love to give. Let's do it.
And let's talk about Children's Hospital of Wisconsin and the role that you play in helping match up loving homes with children in need. There are a lot of resources for families, even on the front end, who might be asking these questions of themselves.
Yes, definitely. You can learn more information by going to chw.org/fostercare or calling 414-KID-HERO. But we have training, licensing workers, family case managers, and other workers in the agency that are really supportive going through the whole process, getting licensed and having placement.
What sort of questions should families ask themselves if they're wondering, could this be us? Could we really do this?
They can ask if they have enough space in their home and hearts, and if they have, you know, a family that's open and willing to go through the process, and really you have nothing to lose.
And how are things going so far now?
You know, it's not an easy thing to do because each child comes with their own baggage. Sure. You have to help them unpack, but it's very rewarding.
Very rewarding, yes.
Well, I'm so glad it's working out for you and for this young man and for so many others here through Children's Hospital of Wisconsin. Thank you for sharing these stories this month.